In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ElevenLabs unusual activity detected on Android. If you're seeing the unusual activity detected message in the ElevenLabs app, it usually means the app's security system thinks something about your recent session isn't quite right. That can happen after updates, switching networks, using a VPN, or when local app data gets corrupted. The quickest, most reliable fix is to reset the app's stored data on your device, then sign back in. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to using the app right away. Start by locating the ElevenLabs app on your Android device. You can swipe up to open your app drawer or use your device's search bar to find it quickly. Once you can see the app icon on your screen, press and hold it. Keep holding until a small menu appears. Depending on your phone, you might see options like App Info, Pause, or a little eye icon. Tap App Info. This opens the system settings page for the app, where you can control permissions, notifications, and storage. On this page, look for storage and cache. The wording may vary slightly by Android version or manufacturer, but it will be something like storage, storage and cache, or storage usage. Go ahead and open it. Now select clear storage. On some phones, this may be labeled clear data, and it means the same thing. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt explaining that this will delete the app's data. Confirm to proceed. Clearing storage removes saved sessions, temporary files, and any locally stored settings for ElevenLabs on your device. It does not delete your actual ElevenLabs account or content stored in the cloud. It will, however, sign you out of the app and reset it to a fresh state. Once that's done, return to your home screen and open the ElevenLabs app again. You'll be greeted as if you're using it for the first time. Sign back in with your account credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. After you log in, the unusual activity detected message should be gone, and you can continue using the app normally. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up: make sure you're on a stable internet connection while logging back in, and try to avoid rapidly switching networks during sign-in. If the message reappears after following these steps, give it a little time and try again, as systems sometimes need a brief window to reset. And if the issue persists, reach out to ElevenLabs support with a description of what you tried. That's it. Simple, safe, and effective.